everybody. We're out here today to play with some drones, and we've got Tyler with PCS Adventures and Thrust UAV. He's going to show us how to use some of the controls, and then we're actually going to get out there and we're going to fly a little bit. Who's excited about that part? Oh. All right, so let's get started with a little bit of an overview about what's so amazing about drones.
All right, well, you can see on the table here a handful of the different kinds of drones that are available. Drones, another name for drones is UAV, which stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, and they are controlled with the remotes that you're holding in your hands. The first control is thrust, which gives power to your engine. So when you scoot that control forward towards the top of the controller, that increases the energy going to the propellers and is going to lift your drone up into the air, okay? On the left-hand side, if you move to the right or to the left, that is going to rotate your drone, kind of like a record. You guys know what a record is? Yeah. CD. Dating myself a little bit there.
You know what a
but it turns it on the horizontal axis. That is called yaw, Y-A-W. It's the yaw. Yep. Yaw, that's what it's called. On the right hand, when you are moving that up and down, that controls something called pitch, which is whether the drone is tilted forward or backward. The right and the left on that right-handed thumb rolls the drone, okay? So you have 6 different ways that you can move the drone. It takes a little bit of practice, which is what we're out here today to do, to coordinate all of those and to put them all together.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out, we're gonna practice a little bit while the weather gods are with us. You guys ready? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there you
go. All right, let's do it.
Oh my God.
So I can attest to the fact that we had no drones damaged in the course of this shoot. You guys should be proud of yourselves. I hope that everybody stays tuned for our next episode. I think we're gonna do some virtual reality next time. What do you guys think about that? Maybe some gaming? We may also do a little bit of what it's like to work out using virtual reality. What do you guys think about that?
Wait, workout?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I hope everybody tunes in and is able to catch us next time when we do a little bit more with science, technology, robotics, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Thanks for joining us in this WeStream VR episode. If you'd like to know more about drones, please contact Thrust UAV. Also, check out some of the programs that PCS Adventures offers that's preparing students for success in the 21st century.
We hope you enjoyed this 360 immersive production. For more information or to become a sponsor for future episodes, contact us. Also, like our videos, subscribe to our channels, and follow us on your favorite social media platforms by searching WeStream VR. See you next time!